Morning, Tom.
Hi there. Max, are you right?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Good. Good.
Yeah. So we're at the ploughing match 2019 for Stoke Bliss.
Yeah.
So how many acres are there on this farm then?
We're sort of about 550 arable.
Yeah.
And total about 700.
Yeah. Do you have much animals here?
Got 200 beef cattle, by about 100 beef a year.
Yeah.
And then keep for about 2 years.
Yeah. And what are your tractors then? What fleet do you have?
Our main tractor is the John Deere's.
Yeah.
We've got a couple of older masters as well we use. But we get on both well with both makes really, to be honest. Got a 7720, the bigger master, to be honest, is the bigger one that my brother uses a fair bit. Gets on well with it.
Yeah, not a bad bit.
6810, I'll just get that in.
So you have the 6810 with the hedge cutter, do you, or is it?
That does combination drilling.
Yeah.
And on a 6410 goes on the hedge trim.
Yeah. What do you have on the baler?
Baler, we got that little master you boys have used today.
Yeah.
The 475.
Yeah.
So you boys have been ploughing today, haven't you?
Yeah, we've been ploughing today.
For the first time. How did that go?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah?
Too bad.
Yeah.
I think it was pretty straight, I don't know.
Pretty straight. Okay, brilliant. Well done. Maybe we can find you some more ploughing to do perhaps. We've got plenty to go at. I'll go and have a look and see what it's like.
Was this the first time you've had the ploughing match?
No, we had the ploughing match here in the year 2000, which is 19 years ago. And yeah, that was a big success. It was pretty dry. It was drier than today's. The weather's been a bit of a challenge. We nearly called it off at one time, but
we had a few showers.
Yeah, but if it had been last week, I think it would have been too dry. So we needed the rain for the vintage boys to get on and get the plough in the ground. So it's all gone not too bad. It's been a good day by all, yeah. Got the bar over there, so it's all happy. Got the fucking Bronco.
Yeah.
We've got it all here.
Yeah.
So we'll come back in another 20 years' time. Back here again. Not before.